And then what we're going to make here is another variation of another leaf pattern. So we're going to take the middle 2 cords, make a diagonal double half hitch knot to the left, and then continue with a row of double half hitch knots using the same anchor cord all the way to the left side. Then with the middle right cord as an anchor cord, make a row of double half hitch knots to the right. Now with the middle left cord as an anchor cord and middle right cord as an anchor cord, we're going to make a row of double half hitch knots to the sides, similar to the other leaf patterns that we have been making, but this time we're going to gradually increase the spacing to the outer sides. Use the middle left and right cords as anchor cords again for another row of double half hitch knots to the sides, repeating the same thing we did above by increasing the amount of space as we get outwards. Then we're going to end it the same way with the far left and far right cords in the center for a diagonal double half hitch knot.